And there's one blocking the pavement there. There's a bloody stupid place to park. And there's another bit of crap parking there. Right outside Helen House. Imagine my surprise. There's one parked on the pavement there. Oh, this is fantastic. Look at that. Not just parked in the middle of the road, he left the door open for maximum obstruction. Why do they do these things? Well, you could have got a bit nearer the curb, I reckon. Right, got a couple of dickheads there parked on the footpath. Those two and three of dickheads, including the illegal motorbike. And there we have a bit of crap parking. And there's one blocking the curb. And there we have a scumbag parked in the cycle lane on a red route. Scum. Oh, it's Echo November 25 Papa Sierra uniform. Parking on the footpath. It's Mike Victor 18 Oscar Foxtrot November parked on the footpath. Pretty sure not for the first time either. And there we have some crap parking. Someone parked his car in the motorbike bay. Just parking in the middle of the road there. Right. Scumbag parked in our cycle lane there. At the cycle lane. There's one parked on the pavement there. And we got a van parked on the footpath there. Another one parked on the footpath there. This one's parked his armoured personnel carrier on the footpath. Look at that, parked on the pavement, on the drop curb, on the double reverse, and right on the corner. What an arse. It's a crap parking double bill. One there on the pavement in the cycle lane, another one there on the pavement. It's a fascinating place to park. And there's a motorbike parked on the cycle, parked on the pavement and occupying our bike racks. Now if you look here, this is a loading bay, specifically put there for people who are delivering to Sainsbury's. And yet this arsehole decides to park in our cycle lane on a red route instead because he's an arsehole. And there's a bus there parked in the cycle lane on the red route. And there's a motorbike parked on the footpath there. And we have some crap parking outside Elim House as usual. That's an interesting place to park. There's one parked on the footpath there. And there's a motorbike parked on the